Hey everyone, so this is going to be a review of Kylie's Low Key. Here's what it looks like. It's not exactly a nude, it's kind of like a pink peach color. Um, I recently got it on the Black Friday sale, so I paid something like $9 for it, which was really good. Here's what the packaging looks like. And this is going to be one of the velvets, but it didn't come with the velvet packaging, which was like a touchy-feely material. I already kind of messed it up a little bit, which really isn't a good sign, let's be honest. But the color is really nice, and it just wiped right off, as you could see. Goes pretty good with my ColourPop highlighter. So this is kind of a color I would suggest probably wearing with some brighter shades. Like, I'm wearing a pretty dark shirt right now. My hair's dark. But if I was wearing maybe like a yellow, I think it would probably pop out and stand out really nicely. But I really like this one. I like the other velvets that I've tried out. Some of the other ones I've tried in videos were the Commando and then the birthday suit. And I liked both of those. And then I'll also be trying 22 as well. Or that's a matte. But anyway, so I've got some other ones, Jordy and a couple others, which all of them I really liked. I prefer them over the matte in terms of like being comfortable and having cute lipstick that you can wear pretty much all day. But they don't last as long, which is the only downfall, but I think it's a fair trade-off. So if you like this video, just go ahead and check out some of my other ones, and I'll keep going through the set. Next up, I've got 22. Thank you.